I saw this amigurumi kit on Temu and I thought I should give it a try, include all the accessories and written pattern inside it, even it's included the keychain. So let's start working on the pattern. Today we will try to make a bee with this pattern. So to start the pattern, it was a kind of, didn't describe properly that how to start. It just says six single crochets. But I made 2 chains and then I will make 6 single crochets in the second chain from hook. I find it easy to work this way. I started working on a bee first. There are various things that you can make with this pattern and all the supplies are included in the package. Once you are done with the 6 single crochets, close the hole and then start working on the second round. I'll add a stitch marker here to mark my last stitch and then we will make increases. On the pattern it says 6 increases, so we will make 2 single crochets in each stitch. We'll make 2 single crochets in each for this round. We should have 12 single crochets at the end of this round. This pattern comes with the video links as well. When I opened the video and then there were eyes included and I am just putting it randomly inside it. Later on I'll glue them properly. I'm just adding them for the visual and then I will take the filling that was use the white yarn to make it, but I just went with the yellow. You can use the white one to make it in each of them 5 or 6 chains and then make 1 single crochet in each of them or make a slip stitch even in the place. If you have a better method to adding eyes, please let me know as well. I don't make amigurumi, so I have no idea how to do it, but I think there should be a clip in behind to add on the behind the eye to make it secure rather than gluing it. So it's ready and I have other things as well I will make.
Oh, that felt cool. That felt cool. Mommy made it for my hand. Mommy made it for straw.
Mira, give it to Mira. Mira was playing as a puppet.
When it's just mommy.